Moving forward, flight number 18, Andre Ugadan.
Great rejection there para kay Ram Sharma. Nonato beating Ugadan through the middle for the lefty layup.
Well, that's the makabagong San Juan that we know. Starting it off.
Ito si Mano Ignacio, and dito naman sa kabila, Andre Ugadan getting his first 2 points here in
Attack on the side of Jim Corpus kasi itong San Juan, they're denying him eh. So walang i-help pag doon ka umatake.
Hands it off to Nonato. Ugadan will try for 3 and it knocks it down. Andre Ugadan.
Kaya nang mid-range jumper. It's either you challenge the 3 or you challenge the drive. Yung mid-range jumper, medyo may loophole dyan. As you see this 3-pointer by Andre Ugadan. Again, Cardulanas was wide open in that shaded area, but he lost that ball.
Trying to shadow Andre. Series of moves and gets it to trickle in.
Forced that one, and that's really not the shot na nag-work for Kurt Velasquez eh.
Andre Ugadan calling his own number. Just walking down Corpus on that spot. Absalin.
I know he just made a couple of big shots, but again, with the defense right in front of you, and these are the
Rebounding talagang dito. Nahihirapan ang Palawan. That was
ng basket. Nakikita naman natin sa kanila na gustong-gusto nila na makakuha ng puntos dito. At as we see, kakasabi ko lang kanina, itong si Ugadan hindi lang siya pang loob, talagang pinansa nitong Palawan dahil nakakuha na sila ng mga defensive stop galing dito sa San Juan.
Ugadan gets the ball tapped away, recovers, completes the layup. This one na nga ganun ka-threat itong si Louis Rosales. You don't really want him to get him, you don't want for rebound, makukuha ni Sharma. Siya na rin magtatawid, a 3-on-1, La Rosa dropping it off. Ugadan will show us his own version of a Sharma, and this time from Andre Ugadan. Excellent drop pass from La Rosa. It's 45-37 with 5:16 remaining dito sa ating third period. Timeout 3-8.
Offense by this Velasquez na ina-attract niya yung opensa.
So Ugadan naiwan sa loob, and nothing James Nodalo could do except to foul itong si Andre Ugadan. Ano naman yung pasa na yun from Ram Sharma, that big-to-big action na sinasabi mo nga dyan, that an excellent ball game, pero hindi nga dyan matatapos ang ating linggo.
Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa.